I just wanted to show you as I'm putting this stuff on. I'm trying to get it as close as I can, you know, like right up against here. But wherever there's sin, that's what the stickers are for. We'll put a sticker, we'll put something here. You know, I don't know what we'll do with it, but we'll do something. This side here, I used the 1/4-inch fine line. And see, we're not just freehand cutting the stuff. We're putting a line down to keep it from being too long. I mean, we're trying to cover the edge. We came up a little short right here because it was just a little bit more than a 1/4 inch. But I ain't going to get too wound up about one little spot. That's not the big, gaudy, nasty looking spot that we had going on, you know, beforehand. So it's working out real well, piecing this stuff together. And like I said, once I get it all covered and then get stickers on it, chances are you aren't even going to see it. If you do come by the trailer and make, that's no way to get a handshake and a free beer, okay, by making fun of my sticker job. So I think on the track, no, you won't even notice. You won't see it at all. But it's working out very well. You heat the stuff up with the hair dryer, and you can bend it right around. I mean, it's just, I'll send you underneath there. There's not much of it, but it is rounded off around the edge a little bit. So just wanted to show you how I'm doing that. We're not freehand cutting it. We are laying it out. We actually used this thing, cut it to the width that we needed, and we just kind of use that to find the edge and find out where we want to cut it, and then go a little bit bigger because we learned from this here. We should have went a little bit bigger, but it is what it is. She's coming around. I'm going to get this piece on trim here, and then get the last piece cut and put on, and then it's on to the fun part, putting on the cool stickers. So hang in there. We'll bring you more. It's good. It's a process. It's a process. It might take 4 or 5 videos, but we'll get them all up for you. Hang in there, y'all. It's going to get better. It's going to get, you know it is. Come on now. Wish you were here.